Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is grotesque. It is pronounced grotesque and spelled Grotesque. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Grotesque is an adjective that means comically or repulsively ugly or distorted. It is often used to describe things that are strange, bizarre, or unnatural in appearance. For example, you could say, the gargoyle on the old building had a grotesque face, or the monster in the movie had grotesque features. The word grotesque comes from the Italian word grotesca, which means of a cave. It originally referred to the strange and fantastical decorations found in ancient Roman grottos. In Roald Dahl's beloved book, The Twits, Mr. and Mrs. Twit are described as grotesque characters with repulsive habits and appearances. Their unkempt hair, warty noses, and cruel tricks make them both comical and repulsive. Synonyms for grotesque include bizarre, distorted, deformed, and monstrous. Antonyms for grotesque include beautiful, attractive, normal, and ordinary. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, grotesque. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.